Solve each system by elimination. First thing you want to do is check to see if you can cancel your x variables or your y variables. Looking at the x's, I see 4x and negative 4x. These are opposites of each other, therefore they will cancel out. 4x minus 4x are 0. 3y plus 2y is 5y equals to negative 18 plus 8, which is negative 10. I need to solve for y, so I'm going to leave y alone by dividing both sides by 5. So y is equal to negative 2. So pick an equation. It doesn't matter which equation you choose. I'm going to use the first one that reads 4x plus 3y equals to negative 18. In place of the y, I'm going to replace it with negative 2. So now my equation reads 4x plus 3 parentheses negative 2 equals to negative 18. 4x, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6 equals to negative 18. I'm going to add 6 on both sides to leave the x alone. So I now have 4x, negative 6 plus 6 is 0, negative 18 plus 6 is negative 12. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So x is equal to negative 3. So my answer is negative 3, negative 2. We always write our answer in the form of xy. Number 2, I have 8x minus 2y equals to negative 2. 2x plus 7y is equal to negative 3. I need to cancel out one of the variables, so I need to choose which one I want to cancel. Do I want to cancel x or do I want to cancel y? In order to cancel, I need to find the smallest number that they both have in common. Right here I see an 8x and I see a 2x here. In order for these to cancel, it would have to be positive 8 and negative 8 below. I can make this bottom one a negative 8 by multiplying the whole equation by negative 4. The top portion will remain the same, 8x minus 2y equals to negative 2. The bottom is now negative 4 times 2x, which is negative 8x. Negative 4 times 7y, which is negative 28y. And negative 4 times negative 23, which is positive 92. 8x minus 8x is 0. Negative 2y minus 28y is negative 30y. Negative 2 plus 92 is 90. I need to solve for y. I have negative 30y, which is multiplication, so I do the opposite, which is division, so I divide both sides by negative 30. Negative 30y divided by negative 30 is positive y. 90 divided by negative 30 is negative 3. I found my y. I now need to find x. So I need to pick an equation, and it doesn't matter if I choose the top or the bottom as long as I choose one. I'm going to use the first one. 8x minus 2y equals to negative 2, or 8x minus 2 parentheses, and replace the y with a negative 3 equals to negative 2. 8x negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6 is equal to negative 2. In order to solve for x, I'm going to subtract 6 on both sides. 8x, 6 minus 6 is 0. Negative 2 minus 6 is negative 8. And to solve for x, I'm going to divide both sides by 8. So x is equal to negative 1. So my answer is negative 1, negative 3. Number 3 reads 3x plus 5y equals to 13. 5x plus 2y equals to negative 10. I need to be able to eliminate, but I notice that none of them are opposites of each other. So I can't eliminate x and I can't eliminate y. So I need to decide which one do I want to eliminate. Would I prefer to eliminate x, or would I prefer to eliminate y? I'm going to eliminate y. So that means I will need to multiply both the top and bottom equations to get rid of my y. I see 5y and 2y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by 5, top equation by 2. I need them to be opposites of each other. Right now they're both positive, so I need to make sure that one is negative. So I'm just going to convert this 5 into a negative 5. It doesn't matter which one becomes a negative, as long as you cancel out a variable. So 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 5y is 10y. 2 times 13 is 26. Negative 5 times 5x is negative 25x. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10y equals to negative 5 times negative 10, which is positive 50. 6x minus 25x is negative 19x. 10y minus 10y is 0, and 26 plus 50 is 76. I need to solve for x, and the only way I can do that is by dividing both sides by negative 19. X is equal to negative 4. Now that I have my x, I can pick one of these two equations to find my y. I'm going to use my bottom one. 5x plus 2y equals to negative 10, or 5 times negative 4 plus 2y equals to negative 10. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20 plus 2y equals negative 10. I need to add 20 on both sides. Negative 20 plus 20 is 0. 2y is equal to 10. I divide both sides by 2. So y is equal to 5. So my answer is negative 4, positive 5.